So how do you create a shortcut to take a screenshot on the iPhone? Let me explain it. And if you're new here on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get into it. So of course we have the Shortcuts app, which is the built-in one or made by Apple choice for creating scripts and shortcuts, which can definitely include screenshots. So we can get inside like this, and you can see in the main section, I can click on the plus. And if I look through the actions, you see that there is a take screenshot action, right? So as you can see, this is a shortcut which can take a screenshot, and now you can combine it with literally so many other things. Like you can create a script which is going to take a screenshot, grab the image, send it over, right? So you have the freedom to customize it as much as you want. But let's say that I finish this, I have a shortcut that if I run, it's going to capture a screenshot, but I can decide that this one will be run automatically based on the automation which we set up in here. So I'm going to delete the old one, start a new automation, and let's say that whenever I receive an email, right, from any sender, from any account, right, and the recipient is going to be, let's say, me, right? So I'm going to add myself in here. So whenever I add just set this up, the whole thing. So the point is that whenever I get the email, I can decide that the shortcut of taking a screenshot will be run. So you can kind of like customize it in this sense that after something happens, the shortcut will be run. So another example, whenever I reach the battery level of, let's say, exactly 50%. Whenever my battery level is at 50%, I'm going to take a screenshot. Why? It's just an example, but that's how it could work. So this is how we can combine the shortcut of taking a screenshot with the automation and get the most out of it based on your needs. The combinations and the possibilities here are endless. So that's what I wanted to say. Hit the thumbs up if you found this video helpful, and I'll see you later.